Hello. Good evening, Namaste, Pranam, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Gurudev, everyone. And very warm welcome to all the respected Parijans, elders, parents, and dear Bal Sanskar Shala children. We are delighted to have you all here today for this beautiful program filled with culture, values, devotion, and joyful performances. Today's event is not just about the entertainment, but also about spreading the meaningful message inspired by our traditions and the teachings of beloved Gurudev, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya ji, such as मनुष्य अपने विचारों से ही अपने जीवन का निर्माण करता है। उत्तम विचार ही श्रेष्ठ कर्मों का आधार होते हैं। We become great through our own thoughts. Positive and noble thinking shapes our life and character. This is the core foundation of the Bal Sanskar Shala, the man-making university, which was envisioned by our beloved Gurudev, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya ji and Mata Bhagavati Devi Sharma ji. Our Gurudev focuses on qualities such as good character, generosity, and integrity. Let's encourage every participants with our smiles, blessings, and a big round of applause as they come on stage with confidence and enthusiasm. Let's begin this wonderful evening with positive energy. Thank you all for being here, and we hope you enjoy all the program. We would like to start, me and my co-host Shefali, we would like to start today's evening by doing Gayatri Mantra one time all together. Sit straight and try to chant with us. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Before we start the event today, a few housekeeping announcements. The first and foremost, we need your full cooperation and attention by keeping the noise level down. Please remember that these are your own kids and have worked really hard. You have come here to enjoy the performances and encourage them. Please do not talk with each other or on the phone when kids are on stage, or while hosts are speaking. Please, for us, try not to talk. Shefali said that her energy goes down when she talks and someone else talks. So I'm going to be quiet, but I want your cooperation with that too, right, Shefali? I'm just kidding.
For sure.
No, Shefali's in full confidence today. Thank you. We have 20 performances planned tonight and expect to be done in about 2 hours. Please check out the program schedule, which has been shared with you.
And there are a couple rules. So as you guys can see, first 2 to 3 rows are specifically for all the performers. All the kids will be sitting there. So, auditorium is big enough. Please feel free to take a seat. If you want to take any pictures, videos, you guys are welcome. But try to not to block anybody's view. So that's huge. So all the kids, and let's try not to interrupt kids while performing. No one except kids and teachers are allowed to enter the backstage and the green room. If we have some volunteers who are helping us backstage, Group Krishna kids will go back to their parents. So that's the main thing, that Group Krishna you guys can pick up your kids after their performance is done. But everyone else will stay either backstage or in the designated sitting area. Again, no parents are allowed up here around backstage area. If you want to, like I mentioned, if you want to take any pictures, videos, please feel free, but make sure you don't interrupt others. And we are also, another important announcement, that we are also taking, this whole event is being taped, video recorded. So you will get it as soon as it's available. We'll try to make it available online, and then we will send out a message. So just keep that in mind. Now, with that being said, we will start our program, wonderful program, with the Deep Prajwalan. So before we start any performances, we always start our auspicious performance or celebrations with lighting up a diya. So, and that is our tradition. So I would like to invite our senior Parijans, our pillar of our Gayatri Parivar Los Angeles, our respected and beloved Bhanu Uncle, Kusumanti. So please, as I say your name, please come up on this stage and let's welcome them with the round of applause as they are our pillar of our Gayatri Parivar. So respected Bhanu Uncle, Kusumanti, Mahesh Bhai, my father-in-law, Kaushik Bhai and Raju Uncle. And we will start the program with your blessings and your guidance, along with Gayatri Mata and Gurudev. So please give them a big round of applause as they are walking on the stage.
Thank you, Pragya, for helping all our Parijan, our senior Parijans, who are the foundation of Gayatri Parivar. The founder is our Param Pujya Gurudev, but these are the main Pragya Putra in a real earth who has committed their time, resources, and everything that they can to spread the Gurudev's message. We will start with the Guru Puja. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Akhand Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai Shri Guruve namaha. Deep Prajwalan. Om Bhurбhuvah Svadoriva Bhumna Pruthaviva Varimna Tasyaste Pruthavi Devayajani Prushthe Agni Mannadayadade Agnindutam Purodade Havyavahamupabruve Om Swastina Indro Vridashravaha Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti nastaraksho aristanemi Swasti no bruhaspatir dadatu Om Dipastha Devatabhyo Namaha. Thank you. Jai. Next you. यह तन विष की वेलरी गुरु अमृत की खान शीश दियो जो गुरु मिले तो भी सस्ता जान। कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि यह जो शरीर है वह विष समान बुराइयों यानी कि जहर यानी इट्स लाइक अ पॉइजनस टेंडेंसी से भरा हुआ है और एक सच्चा गुरु अमृत की खान अर्थात उन विष समान बुराइयों को अंत करने वाला होता है। अगर यदि अपना शीश अपना सर का दान कर देने के बदले में अगर आपको गुरुदेव के साथ बैठने का भी मौका मिलता है तो ये सौदा बहुत ही सस्ता है। अर्थात यदि गुरु चरण में शीश झुकाने से बुराइयों से छुटकारा पाया जा सकता है तो ये बहुत ही सस्ता और सरल मार्ग है। सद्गुरु वह है जिनसे जुड़ते ही चेतना का, चिंतन का, व्यवहार का और व्यक्तित्व का रूपांतरण शुरू हो जाता है। पारस के पत्थर है, लोहे को भी छुएंगे तो सोना बन जाएगा। गुरु से जुड़ने से ही व्यक्ति के जीवन में परिमार्जन का सुनिश्चित हो जाना शुरू हो जाता है। लेट्स बाउ डाउन टू दैट शक्ति, दैट एनर्जी who guides us and protects us on each and every step of life, who leads us from the darkness to light, without whom we will be lost, we will be clueless, and we will be helpless. Guru, with the feeling of pure love, gratitude, and the highest respect in our heart, let's invoke the power of Guru by doing the Guru Vandana. I would like to invite all of our teachers on stage, they're already here, to join us in the prayer for the Guru and Matra Shakti.
Hello.